What are the dangers of plastic waste in the ocean? Edited by Lauren DeMore and Grace Obeson. Written by Abby Capra and Maura Ali. Plastic waste in the ocean has the most detrimental impact on the ocean's ecosystems and its inhabitants. In fact, plastic is expected to outweigh the number of fish in the ocean by 2050. Billions of pounds of trash cover about 40% of the ocean's surface. Every day, about 8 million pieces of plastic find their way into the ocean. There are approximately 51 trillion microscopic pieces of plastic in the ocean, which weighs about 269,000 tons. That's about the same as 1,345 blue whales. That's a lot of plastic. In the North Pacific Ocean, a collection of marine debris forms the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It spans from the west coast of America to Japan. About 80% of the waste in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch comes from land-based activities from North America and Asia. It takes about 6 years for the trash from the coast of North America to reach the garbage patch, and about 1 year for the trash from Japan and other Asian countries. In 2017, there was a trash line about 2 miles long off the coast of Honduras. There were small pieces of styrofoam along with plastic forks, spoons, and straws. This trash builds up where there normally is just seaweed, common feeding grounds for turtles and fish. Scientists have now identified about 200 areas as dead zones, meaning no organisms can grow there. Plastic is also overused in developing countries. Many times, poor Indonesian villagers buy their cosmetics in plastic pouches due to them not being able to afford bottles. Many corporations sell their products in tiny small packages that could last about a week, so more plastic is being churned up and used rather than a big bottle that could last about 3 months. More often than not, these plastic pouches end up in our oceans. Plastic waste is very dangerous for marine life as well. It takes precious space and resources from needing animals. It can also infiltrate the bodies of organisms, serving as safety hazards such as choking, ingesting harmful toxins, and respiratory issues. Sometimes animals consume large amounts of plastic, often mistaking it for food. On November 19, 2018, a dead sperm whale was found off the coast of Indonesia. According to Sea Shepherd Australia, the whale was a total of 9.5 meters long, approximately 32 feet. About 6 pounds of plastic were found in its stomach. 115 plastic cups, 25 plastic bags, 4 plastic bottles, 4 flip-flops, and over 1,000 pieces of plastic were found. Sadly, stories like these are not uncommon. Turtles, dolphins, and other ocean animals are often caught in old fishing nets or strangled by plastic. According to the Sea Turtle Conservancy, over 1 million marine animals are killed each year due to plastic in the ocean. So why are we still using plastic? Plastic is easily accessible, it's portable, and it guards against contamination. It is used widely among hospitals, large corporations, and day-to-day life. Plastic also keeps the flavors of food and drinks, and plastic silverware can be an easy cleanup alternative for parties. Although all of that sounds great, plastic often finds its way into the ocean, and its effects on the water and marine wildlife are devastating. So how can you help? Campaigns such as #BanTheStraw and Fishing for Energy are working hard to reduce plastic waste. Fishing for Energy has fishermen properly dispose of their nets, which are then converted into energy. 1 ton of nets are converted into enough energy for a house for 25 days. Individually, you can wean yourself off of disposable plastics and stop buying bottled water, boycott microbeads, cook more, purchase items secondhand, recycle, buy in bulk, bring your own garment bag to the dry cleaner, and support a bag tax or ban. Remember, together we can make a difference.